Curious what rate you'd get on a SoFi personal loan without commitment? Getting a pre-qualified rate quote takes 2 minutes and doesn't affect your credit score. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. On SoFi's website or app, go to the personal loans section. Click Check Your Rate. You'll enter basic info, loan purpose, desired amount, your income, and credit profile. SoFi will do a soft credit pull. You'll then see a range of possible rates and terms you may qualify for. This is not a guarantee, but a strong estimate. If you like it, you can proceed with the full application. My crucial pro tip: have your financial details handy. To get the most accurate quote, know your approximate annual income, monthly housing payment, and an estimate of your credit score before you start. This prevents you from having to guess or stop midway. Shop for loans confidently and with full transparency. How much does seeing a pre-qualified rate influence your decision to formally apply? For more guides on loan shopping, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.